How to do bicycle crunches. Mastering your ABS. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Bicycle crunches are an effective exercise for sculpting your ABS and improving core strength. Here's how to perform them correctly. Lie flat on your back with your hands placed lightly behind your head, elbows out to the sides. Lift your legs off the ground and bend your knees to a 90-degree angle, keeping your lower back pressed into the floor. Engage your core and bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Rotate your torso and switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while straightening your left leg. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion, ensuring your shoulder blades lift off the ground with each twist. Breathe steadily throughout the exercise, focusing on controlled movements to maximize effectiveness. Incorporate bicycle crunches into your workout routine to challenge your core from various angles and enhance muscle definition. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals.